So I loaded up Apple's website here, but this could work on any website, any dashboard, anything that sits in the browser. So I'm going to click the review button. It's going to run review on this page. And so we got a bunch of these cool suggestions right there. Let's see what we got. We have an accessibility one here from Navi. This span lacks an accessible name, include the scripting text or an area label for sure, especially for a brand like Apple. Oh, we got a positive one. 20% of all of the communications are positive. This is to make sure that you and your team knows that when you're on the right direction, what you're doing that is well, that we should repeat, and also not to bombard with just criticism constantly. So like team members, they would also tell you what is cool, what they like. And we have here search functionality occasionally fails due to missing parameters in the URL query. Yeah, I can see that for sure. And we have another one here about 404, another positive one here. And this one, optimize image, and the image, yeah, this is probably not as optimized it can be. And animations as well, that's for sure. I would imagine that this is definitely the case. And it just continues down the page with some positive ones, some criticism and so on. Whatever it can find, it will bring in to you. The phrase Thinstant Classic is catchy but not very informative. Yeah, for sure. Once we click on accept, we can continue the conversations either with this teammate, with Lexi right here, or with any of the other teammates that we've gained, as well as our team members, our human team members that can see those communications. Now, stakeholders and clients do not see any of this stuff. All of the things except for Claro are internal tools, our tools for the team, and we don't want them to be shown. So, but once it creates a task, then others can see it, unless you mark the task as internal task. And then again, it's just confined within the team. Now, there's one more thing that I want to show you, which is the ability to call on your inner circle whenever you need them. So for example, I can click on this block and say, what do you think about this section? And if the demo gods will be on my side, you see we grab that screenshot. This is now fed back into the AI. Claro might step in here if this is not clear enough. And as you can see, we grab that automated screenshot, and it's not perfect, as you can see right here, right? There's this text that is done with modern CSS that allows the gradient to overlay the text. Which is not going to be picked up by the tool, the screenshot tool that we're using, that basically uses code to transform it into an image. But if you install the Chrome extension, this is completely solved. Plus, it allows you to do the exact same thing, not only within Atarim, but anywhere on the web. So directly where you work through the Chrome extension is going to allow us to do this. Plus, once we sit in the browser, the quality of the screenshot gets way better, which means that the understanding of the AI becomes much better.